Hello, eighth graders. Welcome to welcome to the second lecture of the week, chapter 10, lesson 4. We're going to be talking about planning meals and snacks. Make sure you take good notes. Hopefully, you're watching the videos so that you're getting, so that you have the answers for the quiz tomorrow. Breakfast. Okay, start the day out right. Breakfast is known as the most important meal of the day. A lot of the students in class didn't know that that was what breakfast was known as, the most important meal of the day. And it is. Breakfast gets the body going and provides fuel you will need later in the morning that will help you stay alert so you can concentrate in school. So if you don't have breakfast, you probably won't have the same energy. You won't be able to focus because your body is probably going to let you know in one way or another that it's hungry and needs something to get going. Students who make time for breakfast do better academically. So, again, make sure that you're eating. If you're not eating something big, have a banana, a fruit, one of those little like kind of to-go shakes things, something so like that. Your body has some kind of fuel to go on. Okay. Lunch and dinner. Vary your proteins. You want 5 to 7 1-ounce servings a day. Proteins, remember, we're talking about meat, steak, fish, chicken, eggs, things like that. Use limited amounts of fats, sugars, and salts, okay? For example, cheese, milk, and yogurt. Empty calories is something I mentioned before. Those empty calories are foods that offer few, if any, nutrients, but do supply calories. So like I mentioned in a lecture, maybe a lecture or two ago, chocolate would be an example of an empty calorie food. It has a lot of calories, but it doesn't have any like nutritional value for you. Like it doesn't do anything for your body. Eat fruit if you want something sweet instead of soda or other sugary snacks. Again, fruit has good. It does have sugar, but it also has other things that help your body. Balance your eating plan. Keep track of what foods you eat more or less of, and figure out how to balance what to eat. So just make sure that if you're eating too much of one thing, maybe eat less of it. If you're not eating enough of another thing, put more of that, something like that. There's a balance, and your body gets all the nutrients that it needs. Okay. Snacking smart. Snacking can help you meet your nutritional needs, especially if you choose healthy snacks. Pay attention to what and how much you're eating so you don't overeat. So I know as we snack, we like overeating and we just want to keep eating and eating and eating. That's not always the best thing because again, you might eat too much of something. You want to eat. You want to have eat anything or have anything you want it in moderation. Okay, which means don't overdo it. Okay. Avoid snacking before dinner so you're actually hungry when it's time. So I know that as we're waiting for dinner, we might get kind of hangry, or we want to eat something. If you are going to snack on something, try and eat something small. And again, try and eat something that's actually going to be good for your body, something like that. Whoever made your dinner, when you get to dinner time and they serve you your food, you're not like, oh no, I don't want any. So just make sure that again that you snack smart. Okay. Nutrient density. Okay, is basically the more nutrients a food has, the more nutrient dense it is. So pretty self-explanatory. If a food has more nutrients in it, it's more dense. Okay. Going out to eat and eating right. Choosing nutritious food and portion control are good strategies to stay healthier. Okay, order small portions when you go out to eat, or if you order a big portion, eat half of it and save the rest for later. Check the menu for healthier choices and choose foods that are grilled, broiled, or roasted instead of fried. So I know going out to eat sometimes it's hard to get healthy options. Just make sure that you are finding those healthy options so like that your body you feel good. Also, if you get a big meal, maybe save half of it for later. I know sometimes some meals aren't very good if you microwave them or reheat them. So just make sure you're not getting super big portions. Get just regular portions, and make sure you're trying to find things that are going to be good for your body. Okay, quiz review. So you're gonna want to know the five food groups, maybe six, of the My Pyramid. We did talk about possibly six food groups, and you're gonna want to know the facts of breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacking, and going out to eat. So yeah, make sure that hopefully you're watching the videos and you're taking good notes. Again, the quiz will be up tomorrow at 8:10 in the morning. You'll have all of Friday. Remember, if you don't turn it in on time, you will be losing points. So please make sure that you get the quiz turned in on time. All right. See you next week. Maybe next week.